Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today we've got a little unboxing and little test run of a Lima Class 31. It's in the red and grey RTC livery and it's Lima model number 20522 and running number on it is 31970. So we'll have a quick look at it. This was an eBay find. But although second hand and quite old, it's still in good condition. As with a lot of old Limas anyway, they like a little bit of warming up, and being second hand, I also had to give the wheels a good clean as well. If you're interested to know how I clean my wheels, then comment down below and I can post a little video of me doing a wheel clean. But other than that, we'll see it on the layout. The old Hornby controller has to be at least a quarter of the way around for it to even start humming, and that's supposedly half speed for it to move as well, but after a little wheel clean, it's not an awful little runner. What I'll do is give it a run up. See a bit more speed. So it can still pick up a reasonable amount of speed as well, and that's considering it's on a short little diorama. So let's have a little closer look. So it's a shame it's not the red and blue RTC livery, but I'm guessing at the time when this was made this was the RTC livery, but it's still got quite a bit of detail on it. Little focus. Don't think it goes that close. That's better. Well, I hope you've enjoyed a quick look at that. If you're not subscribed already, then hit that subscribe button, because I've got plenty more of my loco collection to show you. See you again soon.